64-year-old woman who got lost hiking in the San Bernardino National Forest has been found safe after 48 hours.
Just want to talk to you today a little bit about my personal emergency everyday carry kit. So let's take a look and see what's inside. The pouch that I've decided to use to put the contents of my emergency kit into is this a lock sack 6x5 Ziploc bag. After all the contents are in, fits well in the cargo pocket of my pants. Don't really notice that it's there, and so this is the pouch I've decided to put the contents into. For a cutting device consideration, I've decided to use this emergency knife and saw combination. For a cordage consideration, I've decided to put into this kit Kevlar cordage, 25-foot hank. For my lighting, I've decided to use the Mini Mag flashlight. For my navigation considerations, I've put a button compass in here. While button compasses don't provide you all that you need for land navigation, it's still something, and in a last-ditch effort, it's better to have something rather than nothing at all. For my water considerations, I've used these Aqua water purification tabs, as well as this 1 liter fold up bag with which to catch water and to pull water from a stream before purification. For my signal kit, I've placed my signal kit in this little Ziploc baggie that I picked up at Office Depot, and inside you can see I have my emergency whistle, my signal mirror, as well as some orange duct tape to use for flagging and signaling, and it can also be used for repairs as well. I've also have in here a food procurement kit in this bag, and in the back you can see here inside that I have some fish hooks, some snare wire, as well as a small fishing kit as well in here. So let's take a look inside this little bag and see exactly all that's in here. Inside of these Readyman fishing hook kit, I really appreciate the compact size. I really appreciate Readyman's products, and they're really good for my needs. Inside is some snare wire, just a small roll of it. And then inside I also have this small additional fishing kit with some additional wire, some hooks, and some other things in there for emergency fishing. I also have a fire kit, and my fire kit consists of the following items. 1 tab of wet fire. Don't need to go into detail about the use of that. A small ferro rod, an SOL striker, along with some quick tabs, and I also have a Fresnel lens in here as well. Well, that concludes my presentation on what's in my personal pocket everyday carry emergency kit. As always, we want to thank you for visiting our channel. As always, like or subscribe, and check us out on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Until next time, I just want to leave you with this thought: to stay safe, stay prepared, and eventually I want to see you out on the trail.